Revision of quadratic polynomial. Now in quadratic polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Now in quadratic polynomial, that is px equal to ax square plus bx plus c. The quadratic polynomial a not equal to 0, degree 2. This is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, the standard form of quadratic polynomial is what? Px equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to, this is px. Yes, you tell me beta, that is clarity is there. Any problem on from the board? All of you are seeing? Okay. So now quadratic polynomial is very important. Now quadratic polynomial, what is quadratic polynomial? That is whose expression, whose degree is 2, whose degree is 2 is quadratic polynomial. Now a is not equal to 0. So comes what? B can be 0? Yes. C can be 0? Yes. Only this may be there. Ax square. Now that what type of quadratic polynomial? You will say monomial and quadratic polynomial. Monomial and quadratic polynomial. If I say this is there, then you will say ax square plus bx. That is quadratic polynomial, but it is binomial. Now 3 quadratic polynomial, that is trinomial. So ax square plus bx plus c. Now a is not equal to 0, degree is 2. Zeros are, that is alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. Zeros are alpha and beta. Graph shape is parabola. Graph is parabola. Parabola. Opening of parabola is the shape like this. Now, opening of the parabola. Opening of the parabola. Parabola depends on the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. If coefficient of x square, if coefficient of x square is positive, then open upward. Second variable in the expression, then parabola will touch or cut x-axis to give solution. Solution means zeros. Now the parabola, that is very important. Now parabola is given. You have to answer where it will write the solution of the, write the zeros of the polynomial. So without solving, you can find out the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So this is very important parabola. Now A is coefficient of x square, B is coefficient of x, C is constant term, C is constant term. After that, discriminant value, we will add by capital D. So formula for D is B square minus 4AC. Zeros are alpha and beta. Alpha equal to minus b plus root d upon 2a. Beta minus b minus root d upon 2a. So zeros are this alpha and beta. After this, you can go to the pedometer. Now, you will find quadratic polynomial graph. Now this is x, this is x dash, this is y and y dash. Now this is the parabola. Here this is alpha and this is beta. D greater than 0. Now that is here this, here D less than 0. Here alpha equal to beta, D equal to 0. This type of questions you can go to that. Graphical questions are there. You can have only I have given the idea. So practice this type of questions. You will get the benefit of that. Okay. Now alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Then sum of the sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta minus p by product of the zeros, alpha beta, that is c by. So this is the formula. Now quadratic polynomial can be formed by quadratic polynomial can be formed by first. Quadratic polynomial can be formed by using standard form. Using standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c. Second, using formula. Formula is what? X square minus sum of the zeros x plus product of zeros. These are the two methods by which you can find out the quadratic polynomial. After that, without solving, without solving, we can find the nature of zeros. By finding b. If b equal to 0, zeros are equal. Second, if b greater than 0, zeros are unequal. Third, that is if b less than 0, no zeros. So we have drawn the graph. When d equal to 0, the parabola was cutting at one point. D greater than 0, then parabola was cutting at 2 points. If d less than 0, then parabola was not cutting at axis. Shape will be there. That is imaginary. That we will be studying in next class. That is okay. So quadratic polynomial you can go through that and revise. Okay, beta. Thank you.